All right, I'm the flat rate master. The only thing I hate worse than heavy line is a dash pull. Behind the camera, I've got a 2014, 2016 Sierra. Actuator's gone bad. Got to pull the dash because sucky part about that car is you take the dash partly apart, you can see the actuator. You can see it. You can touch it. You can't get to it to unbolt it to pull it out. So you have to actually pull it out. You don't have to pull it out, but you have to pull it forward and just to get 2 screws and a connector. What's worse is I finally get it in there, realize that it's all the way extended and I can't go any further to actually bolt the actuator up. Yes, the dealer sent the wrong part or a broken part, one of the two, I don't know which. So I couldn't put the dash back together today. I love dash work. Can you tell? It sucks. Oh, yeah, it sucks. The worst part is this week's been really crappy. It was in last week's video, a valve cover job on a do-it-yourselfer's car. Yeah, the valve cover was ordered last Thursday. Boss man, it was overnighted, by the way. $100 charge for overnighting. We got it Wednesday. The actuators that were supposed to be here. All right, sorry, my lights died. So they were supposed to be here Tuesday morning, the actuators. Yeah, they didn't get here till, yesterday. I came back from lunch, my valve cover and my actuators were sitting on my stool. And in the meantime, I sold a bunch of work on a Explorer and a Volkswagen. So between that and the dash pull, yeah, my week sucks. Hope your week was better than mine. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.